Hello students, a very coziest good morning to everyone. Myself Sukhwinder Kaur from Dipstanda. So let's continue with the chapter 12, Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's headmaster. It will take time, I know, but teach him if you can that a dollar earned is so of far more value than five found. Teach him to learn to lose and also to enjoy winning. Steer him away from envy if you can. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Let him learn early that the bullies are the easiest to lick. Teach him, if you can, the wonder of books, but also give him quiet time to ponder the eternal mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and the flowers on a green hillside. So, in this paragraph, students, Abraham Lincoln told his son's headmaster that to most people, losing is dishonorable. But in Abraham Lincoln's see, losing is something to learn. The covered meaning of this sentence is being lost is not a disgrace, but another step closer to the goal. If the goal is far, there are more lost encountered before reaching the destiny. By giving an example of bullies, which is very popular in schools, the president's awareness of such situations would happen to his son, where he should be wise enough to get through. The following line showed a way that his son should be taught to look on the brighter side of life to approach, and how reading will make him go far in life, that stimulate his desires to explore more. In the school, teach him that it is far honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him they are wrong. Teach him to be gentle with gentle people and tough with the tough. So the paragraph continued the idea withstanding failures beginning in school. Teach him that it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. That showed a difficult side to choose in life. Very few people choose that side in any competition. So most people would rather cheat to gain victory. But the action is the same meaning as stomping onto his own dignity. And President Lincoln didn't want his son to involve in such actions. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd when everyone is getting on the bandwagon. So, here it is seen that people tend to follow the side which had already been walked by a larger group than the others, and it creates an idea that major side is better, which eventually trapped people into it. So, no one dare thinking any differences, but the president hoped that his son should be courageous man who dares to stand out in life. Ironically, the people who dare to walk in their own way instead of those who follow that of others are successful. Teach him to listen to all men, but teach him also to filter all he hears on the screen of truth and take only the good that comes through. So, here it means that we meet many people in our life journey, but to be flexible means that we should be able to distinguish between friends and foe. We should aware of every people's word. Mixture of good and bad things are sound very tempting. So it is important to wisely choose the right approach. Students, we will continue the rest part next time. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.